Hi guys and welcome to another cryptocurrency video. My name is Galvin and you are watching a video from Roselearn. The topic of this video is PancakeSwap and I will take a look at Bitcoin. Yeah, what's going on in crypto? Let's say I bought band at, I'm not sure, let's say 19, I bought it here. Do you know what was my strategy? My strategy was to buy and hold. Just buy and hold. Simple. You know why? Because the market was bullish. The market was completely bullish. And I was impressed by it. I'm not sure, but I think I sold my coins at $16. More than 2 months later. Okay. Yeah. Why did I tell my holdings story? Maybe you need to lose some money to learn some details. You have to learn it yourself. And we're in a bearish cycle of the market. Okay, take it easy. Make it simple. It's not the end of Bitcoin. It's just a simple bearish trend of the cryptocurrency market. Then when we will be bullish? I talk about this in almost every video. I will talk about Bitcoin, but let's start with PancakeSwap. And we will have a short video today, and I would say in the first step we need to break this resistance, this red line, and make a new higher high. If you have something like this, I will make a new video about PancakeSwap. Otherwise, the downtrend is still alive. Then what about Bitcoin? Bitcoin has managed to hold over important support line, and as I said in the previous video, the support line, the support line is what I follow in Bitcoin. And in the big picture, in the daily time frame, I think it's possible to have a price drop on a shadow of this candle and pull back again. Yeah, this is all we have, and if we have any important thing to speak about it, I will make a video quickly. I hope you will like my video and I hope you found it useful. See you in the next